How to find TikTok videos that you have already watched? Well, simply open the TikTok application in your device by tapping on it. Then simply head over to your profile section. Now, tap on the hamburger menu over here. Under personal tools, you'll find activity center at the first option. Now, simply tap on it. And there you have it. Here, if you want to see your watch history, simply tap on the first button. And here you'll find all the videos that you have watched. You can also filter it by date, like yesterday, last week, last month, and also custom date range. You can select the date range like this and simply tap on confirm and tap on apply, and your filter will work. Now head back, and if you want to try on your comment history, search history, and all other history, they will be available. Just try it over here, simply tap on them. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it useful, please like and subscribe to the channel.